Hi, Marshall Baker here from MyPilotPro. Today we're going to show you how to attach the new and improved Bobcat mount to our Jeep. First thing we need to do is find out where we're going to attach it. In my case, I'm going to mount it right here to this existing body panel bolt. So the first thing we need to do is take that body panel bolt out. After we have the existing body panel bolt out, we then need to take the assembled Bobcat mount apart. Take out the safety cotter pin, unscrew the stainless steel wing nut, and take off the stainless steel exterior tooth washers and regular washer. Take out the stainless steel bolt and pull the swivel arm sides apart to expose the CNC milled aluminum puck. This is what will attach to the existing body panel bolt. Your package is going to come with a neoprene washer. This washer serves two purposes. One, it'll prevent any marring on your body panel, and also it helps mitigate any vibrations coming up to your camera. Once we have the CNC milled aluminum puck out, we need to then mount it onto the existing body panel bolt hole. You will also need to get a replacement body panel bolt, which is approximately 1/2 inch longer than the original body panel bolt. You can see the differences here. It's about 1/2 inch longer. You want to thread that bolt through the puck, then take your neoprene washer and put it on the base of the puck, and then put it onto the body panel bolt location and just finger tight it in just like so. And in my case, I'm going to take an Allen key and snug it down just like that. Then you want to take your swivel arm halves and start assembling the mount. Put your first half there. Take your bolt, put it through, take the other half of the swivel arm, put it on a little bit there, and take your washers, your first flat washer, and then second your exterior tooth washer, and then lastly take your stainless steel wing nut and fix it onto the bolt. And again, here you just want to get it finger tight just for now. And once you get it there, you want to approximately put your ball, you swivel the ball in whatever angle or direction you want approximately. Take your camera, your GoPro camera, and fix it to the ball, and take your GoPro thumb screw and put it through the tabs and snug it down just finger tight. Then you want to loosen up the wing nut and locate the camera and swivel it in the direction that you want. In my case, we'll do approximately there. Then really snug down this wing nut, and then lastly you want to take the stainless steel cotter pin and put it through the safety hole here, and there you have it. Once that's in there, this is going absolutely nowhere. It's completely secure.